Hi, welcome to Innovation Insights. In this video, I will show you that how to design a cartoonish characteristic design using the POZ HTML and the Babel script and CSS. So here for the HTML purpose, we have used the terms of PUZ. You can see here the speed capture. This is the ID of HTML tag, and ghost and face is the class, and arms also the class. The time to do is using 2 times inside the arms class, and the third one is the arm class, and the inner mouth is the side by side the class ID, and 19 times do is the class. So here is the stylus CSS script. So here you can see the gradient. You can change the also gradient for the color purpose. And ghost, the ghost is the term of the circular movement you are showing inside the screen. This comes under the ghost, and its translation and the position is observing by this code. And here is the keyframe is for the animation purpose. So this animation is basically based on the hover effect. When you go through your cursor and check out the movement, then the ghost will follow your cursor and go from another place to another while you locate your cursor. So this is basically cursor following movement, and automatically it's infinite times the animation is happening with this ghost. So this is all about in this video. Hope you guys learned something new, and some types of animation terms here new for using, and new things I have used here, some keyframes used, and some rotation. So these types of characteristics you can use for the real-time animation purpose. So hope you guys learned something new, and thanks for watching my video, and welcome to Innovation Insights again. So please stay with the rest of the videos and check out the code and write down if you have any kinds of problem with the code running, any kinds of issues, you can comment on the description.